Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley Moor, but today with the difference, I've started off in 7x zoom so I can have a good look around just while hovering by the grounds. Okay, so we can have a little look at what's going on the top here. You know, we can get really right in there and see all the people walking around, milling around on there. I just want to thank the guy at the canoe club. Can't remember if it's called Liverpool Canoe Club or whatever, but yeah, he just kicked me out today, quoting private property and all that. You know, I was just standing there flying a drone, and yeah, he wanted to be a job's worth and tell me to get out. So he's right, it's private property, so I left. So let's have a look at the top of the crane here. It's really windy today, so it might be in a... might have to abort this. Right, second attempt at this. I'm going to be fast. Yeah, as I say, the guy at the Liverpool Canoe Club was being a bit of an arse, so I just left. Couldn't be bothered arguing with him. Could they give the place some good publicity, but nah. You know, people just want to do something. So let's have a look on the roof anyway. Let's forget about them. Oh, there's not a hell of a lot going on there. I say, as I say, I didn't say anything. There's a truss inside that was meant to be getting lifted 2 days ago, and it's still, or is it that one? I'm not too sure. There was a truss meant to be getting lifted. Has it gone up? I don't know. But there's one there, ready to go up. Okay. Got to keep an eye on the drone because it's really windy today. But yeah, so where was I? I was over here. Just there I was. Come zoom in a touch more. Yeah. Just in there. That little bit of parking space there. Just filming, and the fella said, no, you have to leave. Sounds alright, no worries. See you later. And off I popped. So this is just something new I'm trying with the 7x zoom. Trying to have a good look round. Well, that's a... yeah, it zooms in really well. Yeah, I like this zoom. It's really good. You see, there's the truss there. Got a good look at it. Yeah, I'm not going to fly over the ground because I don't want to risk anything with this drone, so I'll be hovering here, having a look round. Let's go a bit lower. Let's zoom in this brickwork, eh? Can anyone see a pattern in it? Because I can't. Comment wise, yeah, there wasn't many in the comments, just people commenting on the drone more than anything. One thing that has been brought to my attention is people think they have to pay to subscribe to my channel. You don't, it's completely free. So if you want to subscribe, you can. A few people have mentioned about can you donate money to me, and I've said from the start that I haven't wanted people to donate money to me, but what I have set up is the super. I've activated the super thanks on my channel, and what I'm going to do with that is, if people want to donate to it, it won't go to me. I'm going to put it towards my grassroots football cause. So if that's something that people want to do, it's entirely up to yourself. It won't go to me. It'll just go towards my campaign to get, you know, kits for football teams that can't afford them, pay league fees, stuff like that. I've always wanted to do something for grassroots football, and if I can do it on this platform, then all well and good. Oh yeah, I'll be appearing on Mr. Drone's channel soon as well. We're going to make a video together tonight. I think me, him and Paul Frost, if Paul Frost can make it. Probably like some sort of podcast type. Just going to sit down, talk about the drones, channels, the grounds, and generally just chat basically. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that tonight with Mr. Drone. So yeah, if people want to watch that, I think it might be going on tomorrow, Friday. Nice. Yeah, this is more of a test to see what I can do with the zoom for future videos. Plus, with it being windy, I don't want to risk anything flying over the Mersey or nothing like that just yet. I'll zoom into the stand on the far side. Is there anything below we can look at? It's just the guys on the roof. Get higher, which I'm not going to do with the wind. I'm going to keep at a decent altitude. It's very noisy down here. That's why I wanted to film from the canoe club. It's nice and quiet there. But that guy, you know, just proper job where he was. Not causing any problems, just standing there. And like a bit of open space. Have a good look at this roof here. Wish I had these when this air zoom when the roof was going on. It looks like I'm right by it, I'm miles away from it. The zoom's great. Yeah, so I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to go out the end, then I'm going to go onto the normal camera just to show you where I am in relation to the zoom. So that's how far away I am without the zoom. This is normal viewing from the drone. You see, you know, right outside the boundary. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking impressive when you're driving up to it. There's going to be some grounds. So yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to risk too much, guys. I say that the wind, it's unpredictable. It's strong, then it's really weak, and then it's strong again. It's just coming from nowhere, to be fair. You know, the type of wind when you're walking down the road, you can feel a little breeze, and then next thing a big gust hits you, then it just stops again. It's like that. And if that happens to the drone, it'll just blow it right off course. Yeah. Yeah. Just a bit disappointed with that place over there. It's just annoyed me that. absolutely causing no issues for him. Well, it is what it is, isn't it? Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, watch out for on Mr. Jones' channel for our little chat and that, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.